my English lesson. My name is Sisekенова А Н. Today's theme of our lesson, Egyptian architecture. Today we talk about amazing country Egypt and its architecture. As usual, let's start our lesson with phonetic drill. Let's read the poem about Egypt. Listen to me very carefully. Egypt is full of hot sandy places. It's also home a lot of famous faces, including Tutankhamen, Cleopatra and sorts. It has me thinking with lots of thoughts. Do you agree with me? It's a wonderful poem. Let's read it again. Egypt is full of hot sandy places. It's also home a lot of famous faces, including Tutankhamen, Cleopatra and sorts. It has me thinking with lots of thoughts. Let me introduce you to today's new words. Pyramid, piramida, pyramid, piramida, castle, saray, castle, saray, pharaoh, 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 mummy, mumia, mummy, mumia, Egyptologist, Египет елін зерттеуші адам, Egyptologist, Египет елін зерттеуші адам, explore, зерттеу, explore, зерттеу, ancient, ежелгі, ancient, ежелгі, craftsman, қолөнерші, craftsman, қолөнерші, raw materials, шикізат материалдары, raw materials, шикізат материалдары, funerary work, жерлеу жұмыстары, funerary work, жерлеу жұмыстары, pyramid, castle, pharaoh, mummy, Egyptologist, explore, ancient, craftsman, raw materials, funerary work. Students, I'm sure you guessed that today we talk about amazing country Egypt and its wonderful architecture. When we hear the word Egypt, we imagine Cairo, Sphinx, papyrus, Giza and of course pyramids. Students, do you want to watch video about Egypt? Let's watch together. Egypt is a country in the northeast Africa. Its capital city is Cairo. Egypt is famous for its ancient monuments, such as the pyramid and the Sphinx. Egypt has about 90 million people. Ancient Egyptian architecture is the architecture of ancient Egypt. The best-known example of ancient Egyptian architecture are the Egyptian pyramids, while excavated temples, palaces, tombs, and fortresses. Monumental buildings were built via the post and the lintel method of construction. Columns were typically adorned with capitals decorated and to resemble plants important to Egyptian civilization, such as the papyrus plant. Students, in this video you can see the wonderful places and the constructions of Egypt.
Now students, I want to give some exercises. The first exercise about Sphinx. What do you know about Sphinx? I want to give some questions, 4 questions. You should answer it and write down in your copybooks. The first question, where is located Sphinx? The second, why was it built? The third question, what is it made from? And the last question, who was it built for? I'm sure it's not difficult for you. Okay, excellent. Next exercise, choose the correct preposition. This exercise, students, like a test work, because in this exercise you have 5 questions and several answers, and you should write one. The first sentence, craftsmen and artists were drawn to the court to work, the patronage of the king, with, under, about, at. Second question, the sun temples were built, the 5th dynasty, from, on, into, by. Third question, craftsmen worked the finest materials, with, for, in, after. The fourth sentence, new areas of our land were brought cultivation, under, from, over, on. And the last sentence, the Ptolemies built numerous temples, the island of Philae, under, on, above, in. Excellent, very good. And our last task, find the synonyms of the words pharaohs, spectacular, gigantic, to protect, and to plunder. You should find the synonyms of these words. At the end of our lesson, let's repeat our new words. Pyramid, castle, pharaoh, mummy, Egyptologist, explorer, ancient, craftsman, raw materials, funerary work. Students, your homework for today, answer the questions. Who is supposed to be the first named architect? The second question, what typical structures did the architecture of Egypt produce? What is the only remaining wonder of the world? And the last question, into what periods could ancient Egyptian architecture be classified? You should answer for these questions. Students, I hope you've taken more information about Egypt. The lesson